Hi, I'm Spenta. I'm a cultivator, I'm a gardener, I'm a landscape designer, overall a nature lover, a fan of the land here or planet Earth. And today I met with a new client who shared their backyard with me and some garden ideas that they wanted to add to their gardens and some items that were overgrowing in their backyard. As I came and visited, I saw there are so many things overgrowing in this backyard, things that don't belong here, and items that are of nature, but definitely my client does not want them here, so I absolutely understand. If you're new here to my channel, please take a moment and take a look at my content. Your subscriptions, comments, likes are greatly appreciated. I'm going to get started with this yard. I have so many ideas with this backyard. This backyard can be a Japanese garden, and I think that's what I'm going to do with it. Oh my gosh, there is a cardinal out there in the back behind that tree. That is a beautiful bird. I have a visitor. Wow, many visitors, many birds just came by. So I better get started with what I'm doing and continue with this. Beautiful birds, beautiful birds. I started with some weeds. There are lots of things that are overgrowing and don't belong here, of course. In your landscaping, you want to pay attention to that. You want to make sure you pull from the roots if you can. Most definitely suggested. And treat your garden, treat your yard, and treat your gardens with care. Definitely feed all your plants. I just noticed that there were a few dead branches on a tree to my left, and I decided to just go ahead and prune those while I was taking a look at the gardens. The tree out back is an edible tree. I looked at it. The leaf is actually edible. So this is a beautiful garden. We could definitely plant some bulbs, some irises up in the back area, which is where I'm sharing with you, and there are other areas here. However, I would like to get started by picking up lots of these items that were actually overgrowing items. All right, let me go ahead and get started here. Let's see what I can get done in this amount of time, and I hope it can be good. I'm looking forward to adding flowers and some bushes, perhaps a Japanese maple to the back. I think a Japanese maple would accent this garden very well. I'm also going to add a fountain. A fountain is what I suggested. A fountain is not really pricey. You need to look into the different varieties there are, different options there are. You need to just take a look at what type of garden you like and what kind of material you're given. This backyard right here is very beautiful, an example of a Zen garden, which is what most of my clients are looking into. Something peaceful, something that is perennial, continual growth, something that they don't have to keep putting in the ground for it to come back. You see there are some, I see there are some daffodils here, and I see that there are some perennials already here. Bushes that have been zapped, it looks like due to the cold. Of course, that can happen. It just needs to be trimmed back. So once you trim those hedges back, and once you fix those trees and get the dead off of them, the branches will start to grow new sections. And once I take care of some of these weeds that are growing over the grass will have more air and more time to grow. And that's what I'm going to take care of today. So let me get started. Many thanks for being here with me. This project is going to take a very long time. This project is going to take a very long time, so I'm thankful for you who is here with me today and right now, and I'm thankful for my friends who are watching later. Many thanks. This is part of what I do and I'm used to it. I love it. I love nature and it doesn't really bother me. It makes it beautiful, more beautiful. It allows air to go through, everything grows better, everything has a better chance, and I feel like I'm allowing the earth to continue its beauty. So I'm making it a prettier place, and that's what matters. And I'm meeting my clients' needs. That's the other matter. So back to work I go. And thanks for being here with me. I see there is a lot of dead grass towards the back area as I'm cleaning more, and that's okay. If you're pruning your trees or if you're cleaning your grass, if you're basically taking anything out of your backyard that has overgrown over your grass, depending if it's whatever type of grass you're growing, here you need to actually clean it. Cleaning the top will, just as I mentioned earlier, will allow a lot of air to go through the grass, and grass is smart. And grass is so hardy, it will find its way to grow. Just trust me, it will find its way to grow. So just get rid of those weeds because they are not supposed to be there. Back to work I go.